What is going on, Pumpkin Dylan Nation? Merry Christmas. This is kind of late Christmas video. I forgot to put one up on the 25th, but nevertheless, the next day works. So here we have the 3D printing function of the 3D printer. We also have the CNC and the laser. And we're printing this little Banshee boat. Will also be in the description below, all the credits. So in the middle, that was the original size that comes from Thingiverse, and then I scaled it down to the front there, and that's kind of engraved into the bed. We had some filament issues on the second one. The first one, that was going to take about 3 hours, so we got it down to 30 minutes, and it's just little tiny, which you can see in the thumbnail. It was actually taken up on this rail at the end here to the right. And then we also had some filament issues, but we figured out to not roll up the spool or help it basically when this big bar goes up, the Z-axis. So just let it do it on its own. So I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. If you guys have a 3D printer, let me know in the comments below. If you're on a budget, the best one to get is the Ender Pro or anything from Creative. I'll have a link down in the description to the budget ones. I know this one is very steep, but this was definitely a very awesome investment, even though some people like Lambo Mods and said that this wasn't a really good machine. I took a gamble on it, and it paid off 100%. Knock on wood. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in the outro. Hope you guys enjoy that time lapse. I'm using a a tripod for my Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm going to be switching up to a GoPro and probably getting a flexible mount because I definitely notice I need to go a lot lower with the angle. So you can see about right now here in the video, you can see the top of the boat being produced. This was sped up like 3.1 speed multiplier, so it's about 3 times the speed. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Try to make these videos 10 minutes long. I think that's going to be our standard cut, depending on the videos. Maybe when we get to like 3-hour, 4-hour prints, we'll have to speed it up to like maybe reduce it down to 20 or 30-minute videos. So let me know in the comments below what length of videos that you want for a certain amount of prints. But this little stand is actually pretty cool. I'll leave a link down in the description for it. For your cell phone, I think it supports, I don't know, I think it supports the GoPros, but I have to check on that. And then all the music is from Uncopyrighted Music YouTube channel. Link will also be in the description for all the music. Same music as we used for all the time-lapse for FS19, 17, and 15 when we did all those time-lapse. And make sure you guys support the videos. Over the last course of the year, we've had about 4,000 shares. So let's really focus on that number and brain her up. We have almost 10,000 subscribers. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers in 2021. I understand that 2020 was not a good year, so let's make 2021 much better. Do your part, wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart, wash your hands. You know, it's the common practice with the flu, no different. So stay safe, make good choices, and let's move on from this pandemic. Peace.